In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on whatnot. This reduces eye strain by minimizing glare and blue light exposure, especially in low light settings, while also enhancing focus by reducing distractions. To do this, simply head to your whatnot app. You want to tap onto Account on your bottom right. Onto your profile page, scroll down to Preferences. Now inside Appearance, head to App Theme. Select Dark Mode. Your screen will automatically display in dark mode. This also improves battery life on OLED and AMOLED devices by conserving energy in darker areas. Well, that's how easy it is to turn on dark mode on whatnot. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.